Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter camper conversion. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 110 PS, accompanying this is a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished here in the lovely Indium Grey colour, this example features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights, as well as an enhanced front bumper with a front lower splitter, as well as some black inserts. Continuing the sporty styling on the exterior is a set of 19-inch multi-spoke bi-coloured alloy wheels. Pairing nicely with the Indium Grey paintwork is the red bellows on the pop-up roof, and privacy glass lines the rear windows. Helping you park and manoeuvre with confidence is a rear view camera, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Behind the tailgate we'll find a large amount of storage space, as well as a few storage cupboards on the right hand side. And moving around into the rear passenger area, in the driving position it seats 2 passengers comfortably on the leather upholstery. Throughout the rest of the camper we'll find a variety of controls, twin Hob Burner, as well as a sink with a folding tab. Beneath this we'll also find a Dometic Fridge, and the vehicle also features 2 Super Sports front seats. These feature 2 armrests each, as well as a swivelling function. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can also listen to any of your favourite radio stations, and throughout the cab there's a few charging points to keep your smart devices charged. And exclusively for the driver we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T30 Transporter camper conversion. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.